When we first started, there was a lot of ambiguity or misunderstanding about DMT. People thought it was okay. What's the therapeutic benefit of inviting space elves into my mind? So that was something that we had to dispel. But I think more and more as other companies sort of enter the DMT space, we're seeing further validation of DMT as being, not just as good as psilocybin, but having potentially some clinical benefits over psilocybin, just in terms of that ability to titrate or end dosing. Ultimately, the psychedelic space is pretty broad, and I think we have a common understanding that psychedelics have the ability to treat a multitude of mental health indications that maybe, you know, generate from the same source. So we have a multitude of companies trying to address whether it's depression or PTSD, or in our case, addiction. Ultimately, a lot of those things are premised on that same question of, hey, what's at your core and what do we need to help you resolve internally to get there? But from a regulatory perspective, we can't just say that this is a panacea that's going to cure all your ills. We really do have to make sure that these development programs are very much tailored to the specific use case and use case population, because each case and each group has certain comorbidities and unique physiological parameters that we need to account for. And so it's very interesting and quite encouraging or heartening to see so many people entering the DMT space and acknowledging that, wow, this molecule that we produce as humans can actually be crucial in terms of our reconciliation of our damage, right? And it has so many applications in so many different mental health indications.
Turns out Mother Nature was right the whole time, I guess.
Yeah, it's hard to, it's hard to improve on that.